To create a metaball, add a plane and scale it 4 times. Now add a new particle system. Under Render, choose Object and select our metaball. Under Field Weights, turn down the gravity to 0. Scale it up a little bit and add some randomness. Adjust the lifetime of our particles to 250. Add some velocity. Turn down the number of particles to 600. And that's all for the mesh. Now let's go to shading. Add a new material. Delete the principal node. Add a color ramp. Press Ctrl T to add a coordinate texture and a mapping node. Join the normal to the vector. Now change the colors to one of your choice. And look at that, we have a pretty smoke. Now, if you want, you can add a freestyle. Turn down the thickness to 1. And select only the contour. And that's all, friends. Now you can make your own smoke.